Alright, the obligatory floof. Hi, I'm Jennifer. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you came and I hope you stick around. If you are a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Today is a Why Not Wednesday where I try things I wouldn't normally try or do things I wouldn't normally do or act like an idiot because I can do all of those things. I have a new eyeshadow palette that I'm trying out today, and if you would like to see how I got this look, stick around. Alright, let's jump in and get started. It's a little overcast today, but I think we've got good enough light to do this. I guess we'll just find out later. I went to Ulta the other day, yay, and I got this fun little Makeup Revolution palette. It is very, very warm toned. Apparently, Why Not Wednesday is just going to be from now on me trying on warm toned eyeshadow. I don't know, maybe not. It appears that way. I'm babbling. Let's start with, what are we going to start with? Start with this shade right there. We will just put that all over the lid. Smear it on like we do. I have already moisturized, prepped, primed, all of those things, my face and my eyes. That's a pretty color. Pigment seems nice. I really like these little Makeup Revolution palettes. For what you pay and what you get, I think they're an excellent bargain. Are they the very best eyeshadow in the whole wide world? Probably not. Are they very good for the price? Absolutely. And then, come on. Look at that pan size. I think this was $11, maybe? Not sure. Okay, what shall we do? What shall we do? There's a pretty color right next to that. It's a, I don't know, a mauve-y sort of thing. Let's try it. Let's do it. That dog is chewing that bone like it's his job. Looks a little darker on one side than the other. Ain't that always the way? Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Well, that'll do for now. I don't know what brush I wanna use. I'm gonna use this one. And I think I'm gonna take that color right next door, right there, and just play with that for a minute. Notice I'm staying away from those really, really warm tones. They scare me. I had such a nice week last week. I got to see my sister and her kids twice in 1 week. That's always a treat. I got to see my mom a couple of times last week. Don't get to do that very often. Had my friend Fallon's birthday party. That was a hoot. Went to a drag show. I packed a lot of stuff into a week. It is. There's my blending brush. My blending brush. This week, my sweet little niece Rachel and her husband are coming to stay all night with us and go to dinner, and that's going to be fun. I can't wait. She's so sweet. What else is happening this week? Kids are back at school. That's good and bad. Good to get back into a routine, but I miss them when they're gone. Cooper was gone from Thursday to Sunday, and in true teenager style, came home, took a shower, left again. Yeah. Very sad. I think that's kind of pretty. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't dip into any of those crazier pink colors, but maybe we will in a minute. Or maybe not. I don't know. It seems a little uneven. Do you see that? Let's call that good for now. Off camera, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and... Oh, actually, wait a minute. This is another new thing I've tried. I've seen lots of people using this lately and liking it. It's the L'Oreal Infallible. It's an eye pencil. It's a waterproof one. I used this to tightline and in my waterline the other day. It did not budge. It was crazy. It did not move. So I like it. I'm going to use it again. I will use it off camera and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Do you see that? It takes an incredible amount of skill to get eyeliner on your forehead, but yeah, I have that skill. You're welcome. For mascara, I'm using a combination of the Maybelline Lash Discovery Waterproof, followed by a little bit of L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Yeah. Second coat, same story. Different mascara. Lash Paradise. Though it's cold and lonely in the deep dark night, I'm using Lash Paradise on my left eye. I think that's kind of pretty, a little bit boring, but kind of pretty. Now what shall we do? Let's see, let's see, let's see. I have already primed my face. I don't know if I mentioned that. I use the Makeup Revolution Spray Primer. I like that, particularly when I'm using this, the Limelight foundation. It works very well with it. I'm going to smear a little bit of this on my face, probably mostly off camera. This is just putting on foundation. You've seen it before. You've probably even done it. I like this foundation. You are supposed to warm it up a little bit between your hands or with your finger. I will tell you what I do. It's because it's funny. I stick it between my legs while I'm putting my eye makeup on, and the heat from my body warms it up just enough to make it perfectly blendable. Pro tip. Use the heat from chubby thighs. I knew chubby thighs would come in handy someday. I just knew it. I'm going to very can't talk. Lightly powder with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I like this powder. Obviously, I like this powder, or I wouldn't wear it. I'm going to give my number 7 bronzer another try. Why am I dancing around? I don't know. I had some trouble with it earlier, I had some trouble with it earlier not blending, but I think maybe I was using it on kind of wet foundation, which is really stupid. Well, kind of still like a big smear of dirt across my face. It just doesn't blend well on me. Why does this work on other people? I am using the e.l.f. blush, and I'm sorry I cannot read the color name on this because it's this big, it's tiny. It's this color. It is supposed to be a dupe for NARS Orgasm, which cracks me up. 1, why they would name a blush that, and 2, who decided that that was Orgasm? That color in particular. I don't know. I don't think we need to start talking about sex on my channel, but that's just weird to me. I think it's kind of pretty. It's not my very favorite color, but I do like the texture of this blush. It's nice, and the color goes with this eye look that I'm wearing that I think I'm about to drastically change, because it's Why Not Wednesday, and there's nothing why not about it, right? What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Do. I am so tempted. I'm gonna try this. It may be terrible, but there's kind of a brick color here in this corner. think I'm going to go under my eyes with that. I may regret this. Ooh, that's powdery. I think we need more. Because what do we say? I don't believe in less. And there's the dog pacing and panting around behind me. He knows it's going to storm and he is a nervous Nelly. All right, I'm going to blend that a little bit, blend. Let's try something. You know, I'm here, you're here, why not? Let's do it. Same color. Just gonna try and sort of smoke that right along the lash line. Probably jack up my mascara. There is a lot of fallout happening here. I didn't plan this very well, did I? Maybe we should start calling this Fly by the Seat of Your Pants Wednesday, because I never seem to have a plan. I'm going to add just a sneech of concealer. I am not having good luck with concealer lately. Nothing I try makes me happy. Nothing I try seems to sit well on my under eyes. I think I just need to keep trying until I find a better eye cream. But this is the L'Oreal Visible Lift concealer. I bought it one day last week. I have not yet decided if I like it. Once I figure out if I do like it or not, I'll let you know. I'm still trying it. I'm gonna set that just a little bit with the e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Powder. I still have mixed feelings about setting my under eye. I am going to use that black L'Oreal eyeliner pencil on the waterline, put on some bottom mascara, and I'll be right back. I do think that's kind of a pretty eye look. It's different. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. For lips today, lippy, lippy, lippy lip. I'm going to use this Palladio pencil, and it says raspberry. That does not look raspberry to me. That is a deep coral, but you know, we'll see what it looks like on. And I'm just going to top it with this Sup and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in whatever that tiny color says. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Okay, that is a finished face. I'm going to go upstairs, dry my hair. Maybe put on pants, because you don't know if I'm wearing pants or not when I'm filming. Be right back. I have dried and somewhat styled my hair. My makeup is finished. Some thoughts. I love this eyeshadow palette. These are not colors I would normally have even dreamed of buying before I started doing these Why Not Wednesday palettes. And I like it. I think this is really pretty. I like the formula of these eyeshadows. So again, it's this Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette. If you are looking for an almost completely warm tone palette and don't want to break the bank, I highly recommend it. It's fantastic. The concealer I am still testing. It's not fantastic coverage, but I don't need a huge amount of coverage at this point. What I do need is one that's more moisturizing, and I don't think this is going to fit the bill, but I'm going to keep trying it. The eyeliner pencil, I love this eyeliner pencil. And if anybody's got connections with L'Oreal, tell them to make that exact same pencil in deep, deep, dark purple, because I would buy two. I think that was everything that I was trying today that was new. Everything else are things that I've had for a while that I like. If you've made it this far and stuck with me, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have not yet subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so. Go have a great week. Be nice to each other. So it's future Jennifer here. Well, somewhat future Jennifer here. I was editing that video and got to this point and my memory card was completely full. But no one told me, by which I mean camera didn't warn me, so it was just full. It just shut down. That was it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye-bye.